What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video of TWS. So again Truke is launching their new TWS. This time it's Airbuds and Airbuds Plus. In past we did a video of Truke TWS and trust me, those were some of the best TWS I've ever used in the budget segment. And today again we have two more TWS from Truke. As said, one is Airbuds and the second one is Airbuds Plus. So in this video let's quickly take a look at these buds and we'll let you know whether you should buy these TWS in this price segment, which I'll mention you guys in the later part of this video. So here you can see towards the left hand side we have Airbuds and towards the right hand side we have Airbuds Plus. Basically these two doesn't have much of difference. Before talking about the difference between these two buds, let's quickly take a look at the box content. Soon you open the box, you'll get to see the buds along with the charging case. Later we have two different size of ear tips, followed by a warranty card, a USB to Type-C charging cable, user manual, and another user manual which consists of this barcode. Using this barcode, you guys can get the app for these buds. On previous buds, we never had the application support, but now we get the support of application, so you guys can customize the earbuds as per your requirements. So these are the box content which we get inside the box of Airbuds Plus and Airbuds. So these are the two charging cases. Towards the left hand side we have the charging case of Airbuds and towards the right hand side we have the charging case of Airbuds Plus, and later followed by the buds itself. Now quickly talking about the specifications and the pricing of these two buds. Basically both have no much difference, only one difference, that's Airbud Plus comes with digital display. Both have 10mm drivers, battery capacity is 40 mAh of buds and 300 mAh of charging case. Both these buds can last up to 8 to 10 hours of continuous music playback and calling. We get to see AI powered noise cancellation. Both the buds comes with flip open design, and one major add-on on these buds is that now we have a support of application which wasn't present for previous buds. And at last pricing, Airbuds comes with introductory price of 1599 and Airbuds Plus comes with 1699. Remember one thing, this is an introductory price and can change after the first sale. Pairing up these buds is quite easy. Just turn on the Bluetooth, open the case and remove both the buds. You'll get a pop-up on your device. And now to install the supported app, you can either use Google Lens on your camera application and just scan the barcode. I'll also provide the APK link of TWS Smart. Once the app is installed, give all the necessary permissions and here it will ask you to log in or sign up. You can just avoid it by tapping on try now. And guys, this is not an official app from Truke, so you have many other options here. Truke also says they'll be coming up with their own application. Before using the app, make sure your Truke buds are paired with your device and they should be removed from the charging case. If that is done, you'll get a pop-up to add the device. Once done, hit on next and you're good to go. So here this app will let you know the battery percentage of both these buds. And now good thing about this app, by default we get 20 equalizers pre-installed, so you can set them as per your requirement. And if you want to customize, we also have an option to set our custom equalizers. In the settings we have an option to rename the buds. Also from the application itself you can enable or disable the ear sensor. With the previous buds we had the option to enable this feature using the gestures. In the app itself you have the option to locate the buds. Build quality of these buds is decent. Entire thing is made up of plastic including buds and the charging case, and I have no issues at all with the build quality in this price segment. In-ear fitting is also great. If you are the person into sports and you do a lot of running, then they easily don't come out of your ear. We have two mics on each bud. Front of the charging case we have digital screen which displays the battery percentage of your case along with the Truke branding. Towards the bottom side we have Type-C charging port. There's no reset button to reset these buds. Also buds doesn't have any IP ratings, so avoid them submerging in the water. Sound quality of these buds is really great, but like previous buds, sometimes bass is still at higher side while playing music like some Punjabi songs. But if you are the one who is more into listening podcast, then these buds are best. Similar to previous buds, treble and highs are still balanced pretty well. We get the advantage of these buds while gaming. Remember, these buds have 55 ms of ultra low latency, so no delays in the sound while gaming. I mostly play Battlegrounds Mobile India on daily basis, and for me, no issues with the sound or spotting enemies while gaming. But make sure to activate gaming mode. Calling audio is also decent. I haven't got any kind of issues or feedback from the callers while I'm using these buds for calling purpose. Though they don't have active noise cancellation, but artificial noise cancellation also does a good job in noisy environments. But don't expect anything like active noise cancellation feature. Here is a small audio clip which have been recorded directly from Airbuds Plus.
Okay, this audio has been directly recorded using Truke Airbuds Plus. Though the environment is not much noisy but windy. And I hope you guys get a better idea about the noise cancellation present on these buds. And now I'll keep quiet for a few seconds.
Another plus point of these buds is the battery life. I use them while gaming. With around 3 hours of continuous gaming, buds hardly lose around 30 to 40%. So once again, great battery backup on these buds. Though battery backup of AirBuds Plus case drains bit faster, and I guess this is because of the digital screen present on the charging case. No fast charging support on these buds. They take approx 90 minutes to charge completely from 0 to 100, including case and buds itself. And now at last let's talk about the gestures. So you can tap on any of the bud to play or pause music. Double tapping on left earbud will activate assistant. Long press on the left bud for 2 seconds, that will switch to previous song. Long pressing on right bud for 2 seconds will switch to next track. In-ear sensor works pretty much great almost every time. And tapping 3 times on the right bud will help you switch between gaming and music mode. Out of 10 times, once or twice you may find gesture doesn't work, but that's the case with almost every TWS. None of them are completely accurate all the time. So guys, this was a quick look on Truke upcoming TWS. If you guys were looking for some good TWS, then with no doubt my recommendation will be Truke Air Buds Plus or Truke Air. If you guys still have any kind of questions related to these buds, let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.